Welcome to exercise number 5. This drawing features tangential lines that we haven't covered yet. We'll do some mirroring and learn about a new type of circle as opposed to these center point radius circles that we've done so far. We'll also have a bit of an adjustment of our drawing aids in order to make the drawing work pretty well. So I think the first thing we need to do is draw this diameter 25 circle here. So here we go. So we're going to click and go 12.5. Does that look right to anyone? Hang on a sec, I just want to test this. Optical illusion. Okay, that's fine. Next we're going to draw the diameter 37.76 circle. So we'll go circle, enter, click in the middle of this circle here, and 37.76 divided by 2 will give us the radius, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to type D for diameter, hit enter, and then type 37.76. There we go. That's the cheat to having to work out those pesky radiuses all the time. Next, we want to create a line that is 67.2 distance from the center of this circle here, out here, that's horizontal. The reason that we're going to do that is because we're going to create a mirror line here. Next we're going to go up 25 because the distance between these two is 50, so half of that is 25. That was nice. I'll just get rid of this. Hit enter. Next we'll create the radius 15.6 circle here, and then the diameter 12.6 circle here. So circle, radius 15.6, then another circle, diameter 12.6. Get rid of this little line here. Right, the next thing to do is to create this tangential line here. It's really not good enough to simply go, oh, I think it's about there to, over there somewhere, and do this. This is just clearly wrong. You want the line to flow smoothly off of here onto this circle here. And the way that we're going to do that is go to our object snap settings and then turn off intersection, center, midpoint and endpoint, and just make sure tangent is left on. Then click L to create a line, hover over this circle here. Now depending on where your cursor goes is where this line joins this circle, and so if you apply the same rule here, then you can in fact create a perfect tangential line to these two circles. Okay, so next we want to mirror this, this and this over to the other side. We could have just drawn it out again, but it would obviously take twice as long. So if I type mirror, select the objects that we want to mirror, which is those, enter, select the mirror line. So whoops, have to turn this back on. Endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and then go click, click. Do you want to erase the source object? No, I don't. Enter. Get rid of this line here. The next thing to do is to create this tangential circle here at radius 15.6. So rather than having to fiddle around with a lot of confusing calculations, what we can do is draw a circle, C, enter, And instead of using a center point circle, we're going to use a TTR circle, where TTR is tangent, tangent, radius. This is perfect because we know that we know this tangent, we know that this is a tangent, and we know what the radius is because it's 15.6. So we're going to go TTR, enter, select tangent 1, select tangent 2, and then type in the radius of 15.6. There we go. Alright, let's clean it up to get the geometry right. So we're going to do a bit of trimming. Okay, so our geometry looks pretty cool. Next, the annotation part again. Annotate. Let's do all the diameters first. So, diameter. So here we go. We've got this one. We've got this one. And we have this one. We'll do the radiuses next, I guess, because there's only 2. Radii, probably, not radiuses. We'll insert the center marks, so that one, do it again, that one, do this one. And then finally you should be able to finish off the linear dimensions. So let's do this. And this. So surprisingly there's only 2 linear dimensions required because we know these are tangential. Okay, I hope you didn't find that one too difficult. It was, you should go over it again without looking at the video if you can possibly get away with it. Revisit those tangent ideas with the tangent snap setting, this one here, and also the tangential circle. So circle, enter, TTR, enter. Okay, enjoy.